Are you bored with the same old stocks that get mentioned time and time again? Well, we here at Bloomberg have gone and done a search and come up with a group of names that are cheap, relatively speaking. Our Carol Massar is here with this week's The List. Carol?
Good morning, Eric. Good morning, everybody. Working with our Bloomberg Rankings team, we went through the S&P 1500 universe, honed in on their one-year price and earnings increases as of March 28th, threw out the outliers, and then we came up with a list of companies that present value opportunities everywhere. We've got big companies, boring companies, companies with sizzle, you name it. In fact, many were, let's say politely, companies that aren't making front or back page news. Machine tools, paper products, metal fabrication, chemical companies, companies that often fly under the radar, including Kennametal, Timken, PPG, and Actuant. Some of these names perhaps shouldn't come as a surprise. Bloomberg industry analyst Karen Ubelhart saying that on average, PEs of machinery companies trade at slight discounts to the market due to earnings cyclicality, and that their PEs swing widely depending on where we are in the economic and earnings cycle. Now, also on our list, the spin-offs. Discover, Time Warner Cable, Coca-Cola Enterprises. All of these are relatively cheap when you look at price versus their earnings growth. For example, earnings over at Coca-Cola Enterprises are up 22% in the past year, while their stock is only up about 5% as of March 28th. We had some other standouts on our list. Some of the giants, Walt Disney, Exxon, General Electric, Honeywell, and Crocs. Only kidding. Crocs not exactly a giant, but they are on our list, and they do make, well, your feet, of course, look big. Earnings at Crocs, though, listen to this. They are up nearly 62%, with the stock gaining only 20% in the past year. Now, full disclosure, we've run this list a few times over the past month, much to the despair of our Bloomberg Rankings team, and found that the opportunities for these cheap stocks goes away very, very quickly. So you have to move fast, Eric, if you're interested. Back to you.
Carol, thanks very much.